Good morning, Minco. Hey, I want you to watch this short clip of Brandon's latest weldment. Look how he lays out all his materials. This is lean welding at its finest. You can see he built jigs, he built fixtures. He solved all his problems prior to welding. Everything was laid out, measured twice, cut once, welded once. Look how nice everything fits up. It's clean, it's neat, it's precise. This is an example of how we want everything to go in the shop when we can. Thanks.
Hey, Rick. You're demolishing downtime?